Mabuhay! It's Melanie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm doing 4 ways Christmas party, New Year's and outfit. But I am just using one crop top, which is this one. This is gonna be my base, and I'm gonna show you 4 ways how to put on a different outfit with the same sweater. I hope you guys will like it. If you do, please continue to support me, and don't forget to click the red button below, the subscribe button below, and just don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you so much, and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year!
First off, I call it the Glamorous Shake all black outfit. I incorporated the crop top with this high-waisted trouser with some stud on the side of it, and then I put on my nice necklace, the long necklace. I think it's better to have that long necklace for this outfit, for this crop top, so that it doesn't look that revealing, because it will have that touch of it. And I added the texture of a leather jacket. There you have it, the first outfit. Second off, I call it the sophisticated chic. I added this red leather midi skirt and put on these nice sandals that I have. It's a very sassy looking but sophisticated outfit. I added this boyfriend blazer to add more with this outfit. I hope you guys like this one because I love it so much. You can wear it in any Christmas party or year-end party, in your office, or anywhere you want to wear it. This will complement the party for evening. I hope you like this one too. Third, you can wear this in a semi-casual party. I put on this midi skirt floral, and it's high-waisted, so this crop top made it look like a dress. You can try doing this with a mini skirt or a skirt if you have a similar like this. It's really looking gorgeous, right? And I added this blazer for some touch of overall outfit, and my boots with a tassel. I think I made it very simple but yet elegant. Fourth is this modern looking chic. I added the jumpsuit with the crop top, and it looks like it's a whole outfit. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's a sleeveless jumpsuit, but it is. I added a crop top and this blazer to make it full beautiful outfit with the touch of the belt. So you can do that at home and try this trick that I made with this whole outfit if you like it. Who would have thought this whole outfit is not just one clothing? Of course, you know that I use this crop top black crop top, long sleeves, and a sleeveless jumpsuit. And look at it, how beautiful it is. And I just added a belt, a snake belt on it. And there you have. This is a quick clip of my party last night that I went to, and I wore this crop top with this tube top dress, and look how beautiful it is. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. Have a blossom day.